Introducing the Smeg Kettle. With Italian design, this appliance guarantees to be a stylish and functional addition to any kitchen. There are many quality features that have been integrated into the Smeg Kettle, ensuring that little bit of luxury in the everyday. Firstly, the kettle benefits from 3000 watts, ensuring a really fast boil. The elegant soft opening lid not only looks fantastic, but also ensures condensation stays safely on the underside of the lid. Cleaning is made easy thanks to the removable limescale filter located in the spout, removing any impurities before they enter your cup. Also, this kettle benefits from concealed elements in the base, preventing limescale buildup and ensuring longevity of the kettle. The large 1.7 litre water capacity is indicated on the side and is also measured in cups to prevent any water wastage. The kettle's 360-degree swivel base means that you can have this anywhere in your kitchen, and it's easy to pick up whether you're left or right-handed. The spout has been designed with a balanced weight for easy pour, as well as a total non-drip spout. With a wide variety of colours available, this kettle is perfect for every kitchen. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to our channel.